You already know it's gonna be ghetto when they have two disconnect boxes right after each other. You know what I mean? What's going on, everybody? Welcome back to the channel. Today I came to this no cool call and just wanted to show y'all, if you don't already know this, it's another hack installation. You know, not only is the unit sitting on a curb, which is already less desirable for airflow than an elbow. If you guys have any doubt about that, I am willing to make a video for you as to why. But most people who have taken a little bit of courses or a little bit of airflow classes will know that an elbow is, like over there, is much better than a downdraft when the AC is designed, when the unit's designed for the air to come horizontally instead of, vertically. Anyways, that's not the point of this video, but check this out. And I'm not even here for this, I'm just doing an evaluation while I fix the dual run cap, and I'm just checking everything else out because that's part of my job, right? You don't just fix the part and take off and ride into the sunset. No, that would be way too irresponsible and way too easy. Let's take a look at the return here real quick. Oh, will you look at that? Oh, will you look at that? That's just so stupid. This thing used to be an over-under, and instead of doing a transition or switching it to side-by-side, they plunked this downdraft on top of it. And they didn't even relocate the ductwork to this side and then plug it in this way or whatever, And then this over here is all smashed, right? All smashed. The airflow is completely not gonna just head that way without creating an enormous amount of static and losing velocity. Well, that's what happens, y'all. As always, share this with a friend. Remind them if they are thinking about getting an AC installed. It requires skill, okay? The newer units are becoming more and more advanced, and as they become more and more, the technicians needed to fix these and work on these have to become more advanced. Long gone are the days of being able to use somebody off of a shady recommendation or a shady post on Facebook or Craigslist or something like that. Those days are gone. You gotta use good recommended people who are legit. But as always, thanks for watching. Like, subscribe, comment, and we will see you on the next one. Peace.